If you have been struggling to hit your steps during your day, then this workout should hopefully help you get a little boost, and we're going to be aiming for about 2,000 over the next 15 minutes or so. Now this workout is walking based, so we're using a lot of walking movements, but it's also, we're bringing in some combat stuff to make it a little bit more interesting so it's not boring, because it would be really boring just to march on the spot. It is really low impact and good for joints and all that sort of stuff as well, because it is walking based. So if you're looking to burn some calories, get some steps in, you're in the right place, and let's get into today's workout. Okay, start by taking a big reach up to the top. And relax. Shake it off. We're going to start with a march. Right leg. Now lift up your knees. Keep your hips to the front. Chest tall. Keep your arms moving too, so we can track as many steps as we can. Step touch. Now you can bring the arms in, or you can leave it here. But try and keep them moving, whatever way they want to move. Step and tap. Step, tap, step, tap. Now remember this, because this is going to be a lot of our movement throughout this class, especially in our punching movements. Now, bring it into a bob and weave. A little bit of a duck and move side to side with that same footwork. Bring in a jab. Good job. Aim for somebody's chin, somebody you're not too keen on. 4 to the front, 4. 4 to the side. 4 to the front. First combination in the bag. Keep going. We just keep it moving. If you get stuck, that's all you do, march here. If you get stuck throughout this workout, I know I will, I'll probably make mistakes, that's absolutely okay. The thing is, you're showing up. So if you get stuck, just come back to this move and catch up. Step touch. Keep it nice and light in the feet, yeah? Soft knees. That means we can keep it more low impact. Arms in. If you had them in already, well done. Okay, next move is our step tap. Step and tap. Now keep it nice and low here. Just keep the arms moving. Start to bring them up. Bob and weave. And we bend them knees a little bit more to warm them up. Okay team, march forward here. 1, 2, 3, tap. Back, 2, 3, tap. We're starting to warm up the legs a little bit more now. Good job, keep going. And this is how we get our steps in, yeah? Easy walking, because it's not always easy to get outside. Step touch. Arms in if we want. Now this time we're trying to warm up the legs, yeah? We've got our upper body nice and toasty. Easy repeater. 3, 2, 1, step change. 3, 2, 1, step, step. Keep the chest up and push into the heels. 3, 2, 1, march. Good job. Now just keep it nice and tall. Now like I said, I think I said it. Come to the front. 1, 2, 3. This workout is 2,000 steps. I have worked it out for you. your step tracker is probably not going to pick up that. Side. Now stay low here. 3, 2, 1, change. I have heard that if you put it on your ankle, change, it makes it a little bit more reliable. 3, 2, 1, last one. 3, 2, 1, march. Catch your feet again. See, I told you I would make mistakes, and that's okay, because we're showing up. We're making time for ourselves, and it's only 15 minutes. Step, lift, check, step. Keep your arms moving. Okay, step touch. Bring your arms up into our fight stance. First move, hit the jabs, go. So we've got that step tap motion again. Make sure you lift the toes because that's going to give you the step. Uppercuts, 1, 2, roll from the shoulder. You're aiming again for the bottom of the chin this time. 4 of each, 1, 2, 3, 4, upper. Good job. Keep going. You got this. March here. How are we feeling? We feeling good? I can't see you. You can let me know in the comments. We felt good or we felt rubbish. Step. Now I like to see we let the music in. This is how we get our energy for the workout. So start to feel it moving through your joints. Bob and weave. From here, team. Take it to your punchies. Again, really think of something you don't like and punch the chin. Get in my road. Uppers. Now for this one you really want to get down and up, down and up. 4 of each, go. Upper. You got this. Keep going. Uppers. Punch the chin out the road. Now team, we've got 2 more times of this. We're going to bring in a new move. Going to take it to a hook. So it's the same footwork, just a different arm movement. Ba, 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 da, ba, ba. Keep going. This is us really working our shoulders now. March here. Take it easy. Breathe. This is your catch-up time. Let your heart rate stabilize. Step. Is that on the wrong foot? Nice and easy with the legs, yeah? Bob and weave. Now punch, go! Now at this point, you're starting to feel your shoulders getting tired. Good. Uppers. Because when the shoulders get tired, you have to use more calories. You have to burn more. Combination. Upper. Good job. Now this is us coming to the end of this one, yeah? So give it all you've got just now, so you can really get the heart rate working with you. Put here. Now lift that elbow up, and the heel to and twist. Keep going. This is how you get them on the side of the face. Get him, my road. March here. We're all getting tipsy. This is where I want you to just fall back into this, because we're going to be switching track. Like I said, if you lose anything, this is where we come back to. Step touch. Can you feel something? The music's faster, because this is the last track. Arms in. Got your bob and weave. March here. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Good job. Forward. Repeater. Now team, lift the knee a little bit higher than you did in the warm-up. We're staying here a little bit longer. 3, 2, 1. Change, change. Sink down into the legs. 3, 2, 1. Knee. Now team, start to think combat, yeah? I've been right here. Now you can feel the music lifting. So is your heart rate. Single, single, triple. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Change. 3, 2, 1. March. That's it, we know the moves. Hopefully I'll not make mistakes. Can't promise. Step touch. Bob, weave. 3 marches, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Keep everything up nice and tall. I know we're getting tired. To the front. Start to lift that knee. Good job. Stay here. Team. Step. Told you a change. Now this is you to get ready to bring in that big kick block or knee block. Yeah? Arms. Feel the music in your veins. Get ready. Repeater. Sink down a little bit lower. Three, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. March, march. Step, knee. This is to let you get the movement, yeah? We're letting the music take us up. Single, single, triple. 3, 2, 1. Now team, lift that arm a little bit higher. Mark. Team, you've done amazing. You've got to this point, you've shown up yourself, you've done it. Mark, 3, 2, 1, tap. Let your heart rate come down. Step. We go to a step, it's a little bit slower. Well done team. You have smashed it, you have done it. I'm so proud of you for showing up for yourself, for coming here today to do this. You just smashed 2,000 steps, probably a little bit higher than that actually, but at least 2,000 steps depending on what you've done. So amazing. I will see you in the next video. Have an awesome day.